Much. Yeah, welcome back. Today we're taking this afternoon we're gonna take a few minutes walk out on this lake. Normally in the summer, see this little dock here? Boat does normally be here. Parked up. Sometimes we come and we rent a boat and we just go fishing all the way up, way inside that direction. Look at these kids. Hockey. Yes, so it is nice here, but only for about 20 minutes, half an hour max. Imagine walking up here in this temperature. Man, this is nice here. You okay, babe? That's my wife with 1 foot, which is not perfect 100% yet. Come on, Chippendale. Okay, come on, I'm gonna ice you down here and we're gonna go out there.
No, thank you.
Why not? Wanna go ask those kids if they got an extra hockey stick? This guy with his snowmobile. Look. Are they gonna take the trail? Yep, they're gone up the trail. Look at these kids. Oh, look, these guys come out to the back there. Look at that. Yep.
That's cool. How do they know it's thick enough to be on there?
Look at these guys.
Do they have Christmas lights up there?
I know.
As I was saying, I don't think my leggings are making it. It's going through. It's cold.
The breeze got you bad?
Hmm?
The breeze got you bad?
Mm-hmm. Look, there's two more over there. They're
Yeah.
racing.
In Weir Park.
Hmm?
Over there.
Isn't that building open?
What building?
You know where we usually go to the restaurant and the...
Okay. Restaurant is not gonna open now.
Not even for coffee?
I don't think they're gonna open just for coffee. I'm not certain.
I'd like to shower in some coffee right now.
Yep, this is it here.
Are you going down there?
Let's go for a stroll.
No, I'm not going.
This ice is so thick here. You could actually walk as far out as you want. People are way out over there. So you could actually walk across this river. You could actually walk across this lake here. Go away on the other side. Or those lights at the back there, that's a Tim Horton. Walk, you go get your coffee, and you come back here. Yep. Sometimes people come out here and they drill their hole like normal ice fishing, like when you go way out to do ice fishing. I've seen a lots of these, as you can see here. They'll drill a hole just for your rod to go down, and you fishing right here. I'm an electrician, and sometimes the apartment building and that we do work for, if a light's broken in the parking lot, the super want me to go fix it. I have to go fix it for safety's sake, to get back light in the parking lot. It could be mid-winter, rain could be falling, snow could be falling, it could be like minus 20. Last week we had, I think it was minus close to 20, and with the wind chill they said it was almost 30, minus 30, and I had to put up a light outside of the building because for whatever reason the light fall off. It took me like, what normally take me like 5 minutes to work on, it took me like 45 minutes to get that light up back, because you have to brace a ladder beside of the building, then climb up the ladder, work for maybe a minute and something, come down back. Coming out here, it reminds me of last 2 weeks. But they say you come for fun. But when you gotta work in this is crazy. As far as you could see at the back there, right across. Yeah? You wanna come down? Okay, I'm coming. Look at these guys. I think it was 2 or 3 summer ago, we come and rent a pontoon, and we went way up there, like hour and a half. We went way up in the river up there. Want me to come still? Still want me to come? Let's go take a stroll down the side. My fingers numb now. After being out here for about 45 minutes or maybe half an hour and holding out this phone for just maybe about 10 minutes, my fingers numb. I think that's it for this little walk out here. Alright guys, please like and subscribe to our channel. Until the next one, see you again. These kids are brave, man. It's about that time to head back in. And all the Christmas lights still up. And today is the 1st of February. Well, this is gonna take at least an hour. Oh boy. Snowplow cleaning sidewalk, but you could see how deep the snow is there. Let's get to it. It's not gonna clean by itself. I've been out here almost 45 minutes and I barely clean a little piece here. I just see the truck pass. Man, and that's not gonna be nice once he come back on this one side. Let's see once he gets back what's gonna happen. And then look this guy. Look at the bumper it's gonna make here now. A big pile. Look at that. That's like a big wall make there now. After about 25 minutes of cleaning this bump here, I'm getting tired. This little mountain got about 5 feet high almost. Everybody's out now and cleaning. But the little mess the snow plow make. And I'm not quite done. I gotta go in and warm up my fingers and come back again. After a 15-minute break, warm up my fingers, gotta go again. Time like this, I just think about a nice vacation, a hot country, and the Caribbean islands. And that's a wrap. Man, I'm tired. We didn't work today because the road was so bad to drive the working van. But this is pretty much harder than a day of work. That's it. You may wonder what's up with the shades and this weather, because I've had laser surgery done in my eyes, the bright sun and the white snow tend to bother my eyes sometimes. This little snow mountain here got about 5 feet from ground, and that one on the inside is pretty much the same, 4 or 5 feet. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. Bye for now.